Up of the printer, guys. As you guys can see, it's a small size. It does have two clips right here to open the printer itself, and then you would insert the paper on the inside, which is a thermal printer roll. Here's what it looks like. The roll does have to come in above like this. The sheet has to come above like this, and then you would just close it on both sides like this, and this is what it would look like. It does have the power button on this side and the display on that side, and on this side nothing. That's a close-up, only a USB-C port right there, and that's what you would charge it with, you know, to get a charge. This printer is very unique because it prints instantly. It prints on the thermal paper, so it does not need ink, and as you guys can see, it's not going to peel or anything like that. It's just it's like a thermal printed, so that's what it looks like. The quick start guide tells you that you need to download an app. The app is called phomemo. That's the QR code for the app. Here is a close-up of the app itself. So you would search for it or scan the QR code, open it, and then it's going to take you to this page. Phomemo does have smaller printers, so you can choose a printer. I'm using a single sheet printer, and then once we get there, we're going to go to it's selected, and then we can go to any image. So like, let's say we wanted to print a certain image, we would go to print images. We can AI generate. We can even download like a file. If we have a different file, we can download a file, like print documents. We can even document scan and print, or go to our website and print something from a website. For this demonstration, we're just going to go to a regular, let's see, like a regular image, see if we can find it. AI generate images. Let's say we wanted something like this, and it's going to give us, it's going to load an image. And then let's say we wanted to print this one, we will go there, and then we go here, and that's the preview, and then print, and then print. That's the image, and it's printing instantly. So what, it took me like less than a minute. And that was an AI generated image. You can touch it instantly. And as you guys can see, it's complete. And then it does have like a little blade right there, so you can actually just pull out your sheet. And this is our image, guys. So this is even perfect, like if you want to, you know, get some inspiration. This is what it looks like. So overall, such an easy printer to set up. You know, it's wireless, rechargeable. You can print different sizes, and the biggest size is this regular 8.5 by 11, which is a standard sheet. And pretty much I like how it's easy to take on the go, and you can print it instantly, guys. So we just want to show you guys a close-up. Really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.